What is it like to be free? That's what our green-feathered friend would ask if he had the ability to speak. As 14th August fast approaches, Mithoo will be gaining freedom from captivity. As this mother explains to her children, the sacrifices that the people of the subcontinent made in the creation of Pakistan, these children decided that their pet parrot should not be kept in captivity and must be freed as well.
हमने फैसला किया हम मिट्ठू को आज़ाद कर देंगे और ये हमने छोड़ते हुए दुख तो होगा जब वो आज़ाद होगा उतनी ज़्यादा खुशी होगी.
Even though the children are heartbroken to see their pet Mithoo go, they now realize the importance of freedom and independence.